These are some payment proof, okay, from people using this platform I'm about to show you now. You can see the date October 28th and the payment they are receiving. Okay, so before I show you, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get notified that I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, because I post content now to make money online. I post video every Wednesday and Saturdays. Okay, so you can come back to my channel and watch my previous video where I uploaded different methods you can make money. Okay, so this website will pay you for clicking on ads. Okay, rewardingways.com. Okay, so how to make money online at rewardingways.com. Okay, yes, it is possible to make money online. Okay, so you get paid when you take surveys. Okay, online surveys. Create a free account at rewardingways.com and then choose from large selection of surveys provided by preferred survey providers. Most surveys pays 50 cents to $5 with an average time of 10 to 15 minutes, okay, to complete. You see surveys available, okay, and the amount to be paid for each surveys. Okay, so you should remember that you won't qualify for all surveys, meaning there will be some qualifications question for some surveys before you be able to take them and make money from them. Okay, in addition, in taking paid surveys, okay, you can make money playing games, watching video, completing trials and offers, taking part in quizzes and in your spare time. Okay, and you will get paid 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, so and you get paid via PayPal. Okay, so let me go back to their home page. Okay, home page where I will show you how to register. Okay, so you get paid fast via PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card and BTC payment within 24 hours. Okay, you can see their rating on Trustpilot. Okay, you can work from home and when you register you get some free bonuses. Okay, I can see they have paid over $2 million. Okay, according to what they write on their website, they have paid over $2 million to their members. Okay, you complete online survey in cash and gift card. Okay, so you can watch this video to understand more on how to make money on the website, but basically it's just about taking surveys and doing other simple stuff. Okay, so to get started, just scroll down here. Okay, you see join free. So when you tap on join free, okay, so currently in my own country they are not accepting any new user, okay, because I'm currently in Nigeria. Okay, so if you're in other countries you can register. Okay, so let me try something very simple over here. Okay, so let me try changing my location. Okay, so connecting to a US VPN here. Okay, connected. Okay, so let me try refreshing this page. Okay, I think VPN has issue. So currently actually they're not accepting anybody from my country here, so you can try it over there in your own country. It might work out for you and it might not work out for you. And if you see here, the minimum threshold here is just $1. Okay, the minimum threshold is just $1. Okay, but sadly this platform is not accepting Nigerians for now. But if you are in Ghana, India, Pakistan, US, UK, you can try this. Okay, so for those in Nigeria that is not working for, I have a replacement for you. Okay, so come over to this website here, scarletclicks.info. Okay, so click ads and get paid up to you get paid 1 cent per click. Okay, and you earn 100% referral bonus. Okay, you earn by clicking ads, completing offers and referring new members. Okay, and the cash out is very easy to cash out. You cash out through Skrill, Neteller, Pay, ATM. I think ATM is for people in India and Pakistan and those Asian countries, and Bitcoin account. Okay, and the minimum cash out is just $2. Okay, so actually advertisers come here to like drop their website link because they want views on their website. Then we the workers here we just click on the ads and we make money. Okay, if you see for advertisers, okay, the advertiser pay close to like $1.5 per clicks for 1,000 clicks, while the members will earn, okay, just little money just by clicking. Okay, you can actually earn so much money. Okay, but there are ways for you to make money. Okay, because just by clicking on 10 clicks you earn 10 cents. Okay, click on 100 you earn $1. Okay, so and sometimes I think when you upgrade your account you earn more. But if I tap on earn more, okay, you see that you can earn through surveys and offers. Okay, scarlet grid, offer wall, medium plus, kiddie ads, okay, warner ads. Okay, so actually you earn more than this 1 cent, okay, that paying you per click, because there are other way you can earn money. Okay, there are like 6 options there for you to earn more. Okay, so to get started, tap on the register now. Okay, then you have to enter your full name, email address. Okay, then your payment account, either payee, bitcoin wallet, neteller, skrill, atm, litecoin, dash or faucet pay. Okay, very easy. Then register. Then when you register, you see that you see the section to click on ads, and you start getting paid just to click on them. Okay, so if you encounter any issue, kindly comment down below. Okay, I reply to all comment within 24 hours. Okay, and if you want to contact me privately, check the link. You see my Instagram link in the description of this video. Okay, click on it to message me. Okay, I reply to all messages. Okay, so and you can see they said they have paid over $2 million to their members, and they have over 1 million members. Okay, because people love PTC site, because you just have to come over on your free time and click on ads to make money. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Okay, if you actually enjoy the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Okay, I really appreciate if you do that. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice